Making sure we have quality water as we grow and develop over time is a challenge Saskatoon is planning for. We're developing our urban water cycle, bringing water from source to faucet to finish. Our water source is the South Saskatchewan River. Our state-of-the-art water treatment plant pulls 43 billion litres of water from the river every year. This raw water goes through a strict treatment process, meeting provincial and federal quality standards. From here, clean, safe drinking water is pumped through an extensive array of underground pipes to reach you.